Hi everyone, welcome back. So Codeforces question for today is three indices. We are given a permutation. Recall that sequence of n integers is called a permutation if it contains all the integers from 1 to n exactly once. We have to find three indices I, j, k such that I is less than j and j is less than k, and pi is less than pj and pk is less than pj. Or we have to say that there are no such indices. So this is what we have to find out. We have to find three indices such that the middle element is greater than the other two elements. So this is what we have to do. Now how to do this? One thing we can do is while moving from the left side towards the right, we can keep track of the minimum element, and if the minimum element is not equal to the current element, means we have a left minimum. Now for such number we have to find out a right minimum, right? That will fulfill our condition. So this we can do in n square, or what we can do to find the right minimum, right? We have to find the right minimum. We can pre-compute it, means we can already compute it and store it for every index. What we have to do, we have to find out the right minimum for every index. So how we will do that? Moving from right towards the left, we will keep the index of the right minimum element. So after storing this, for every index we will be having left minimum and the right minimum. So we shall just find out if that they are not equal to the current index. We have got our answer, we shall print them, and if we have not got any such condition, then our answer is no. So moving to the solution, we have to take t test cases. For each test case we have to take array input, we have taken it. After that we have to pre-compute a right minimum. So we have made an array which will store the index of right minimum for each index. Now our minimum we have kept initially equal to integer dot max value and its index is -1. Now we will move from last to first. Now if the element is less than min, then our min will be less than equal to min. So our minimum will be that element and our index will be equal to I. Now this index we have to store for r min I for that index, because this is the index of the right minimum. So now for every index we have calculated the index of a right minimum. Now what we have to do, we have to take a flag variable to know if we have found our answer or not, and otherwise what we have to do, now we have to keep left minimum, moving from the left towards the right. So same thing we will do, we shall keep it to max value and its index is -1. Now we will move from 0 to the last element. Now if we shall find the minimum and its index. After that what we have to check, if our left minimum is not equal to the current index I, means we have something which is lower than our current element towards the left, right? So this condition we have to check if it is not equal to I. And what we have to check, if our right minimum is not equal to I, means we have a minimum towards the right side also. So if the right minimum index is not equal to I, that means we have got our answer. So our flag becomes true, we print yes, and after that what we have to do, we have to print the indexes, the left minimum index, the current index, and the right minimum index. So we have printed that. Now we just have to find one such case, so we break out of the loop. After that what we have to check, if we have got our answer or not. So we will check that through flag. If our flag is false, then we have, so if our flag is false we have to print no. So if not a flag we have to print no. So this was the simple solution for this question, which involved storing the right minimum and the left minimum we had to keep calculating to get such index where these conditions are fulfilled. I hope you guys would have got the approach. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye.